Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. I'm here on my throne in Thornton. I'm going to talk about motion separation between memory foam and innerspring. You know what, actually I need my scepter, my magical scepter. Woo! Alright, so we're going to talk about motion separation. I'm going to do a really cool demonstration where I'm dropping two weights up here. You're going to see a drastic difference between these two. This is a regular hand-tight innerspring, and then we have a Tempur-Pedic memory foam mattress right here. I'm going to have my no guest up here today. I'm actually going to have the weights up here, so with further ado, alright, so here's the cool demonstration. I'm going to drop two 10-pound weights, one on the memory foam, one on the innerspring, simultaneously so you can see the big difference. All right, you guys ready for this? We got a memory foam, we got innerspring. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Holy cow, did you see that? Oh, we almost lost someone there. So obviously you can see the difference. This guy's bouncing off the walls and this went. We'll show a replay really quick. Can I get a replay, somebody? All right. So that's really what I want to show you the big difference there. What I'm demonstrating is tossing and turning. When you're tossing and turning in your mattress, your partner's not bobbing around with you like they are in here. They're barely even feeling it. So thank you guys for joining Pillow Talk, the Mattress King. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week.